In the middle of the night, I go rocking in my sleep. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I have created this Princess Jasmine inspired makeup look since the new Aladdin has just come into cinemas. So I thought, why not a better time to do it on a makeup that I love. And I actually received the Colourpop Disney collection for my birthday from my brothers, so I thought I might as well use it in this video since Aladdin did just come out and Disney is amazing, so why not do a inspired makeup look. For anyone wondering, I'm wearing bright pink lipstick because in the Colourpop collection Jasmine's colour is bright pink, so this is Jasmine's colour, which I think what they've done is they've gone off these like sort of couture designed clothes that they've made, so they've given her like a big pink, hers is very colourful, let's say, so I think that is why they've given her such a bright pink lip, just to make the collection a little bit different than having all nudes for all of them. That is what I've done, and I've just done it with a blue and gold eye. Sorry about my voice, I know it doesn't sound anything like it normally does. I have been super sick, I am still sick. Actually, I swear in half my videos it'll be me apologising for being sick, but it's because I'm always sick. If you would like to see how I've created this makeup look, then please keep watching. Okay, firstly I would just like to apologise how gross my skin is looking at the moment, because I've been so sick these last few days, as you can tell in my voice. Somehow I managed to bruise under my eye last night. I don't know what I did, and my bags are just ready to jump out and kill someone. So I do apologise for that, and I've just got some pimples and stuff because when I get sick everything just goes downhill. So just ignore that, but we'll cover it all up later. So I'm just getting my new Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle in Light Pale, and I'm just going to put that over my eyelids, just to give me a base. Now I'm just getting my Rimmel London Stay Matte powder, and I'm just going to powder off my eyes just to help smooth the base for the eyeshadows. So I feel like with Princess Jasmine everything is very, how's that style of makeup called? Like the wings and stuff are all on point. So I'm getting my sticky tape and we are going to do the sharpest wings because that's what we're doing. Okay, and you want them pretty much even. Oops, and don't poke yourself in the eye. This is a good look, for suresies. So I'm going to be using my Disney Designer Collection by Colourpop because I felt like this was right to do as it is Disney inspired. So the first colour I'm going in is with Triton, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. And then I'm also going in with Abu, which is this one here, and it's just a little bit darker. And I'm just going to put that a little bit on the lid in the outer corners. Now I'm going in with my eyeshadow palette, which I can't remember what it's called. If I'm being honest, I probably would suggest not buying the La Femme palettes, well, the eyeshadows, because there is a lot of fallout and I don't feel like they blend as nicely as other eyeshadows do, so I definitely don't recommend it. I just don't have another blue really on hand that is similar to this colour, so that is why I'm using it. So now I'm just blending it lightly into the crease. So now again I'm getting the Colourpop palette and I am just getting One Kiss, which is this really goldy shimmery colour. And then very lightly in the crease, I'm just going to get Midnight Curfew, which is this shimmery black one, and I'm just going to put just a little bit in my crease, just to darken it up, just a smidgen. Now I'm just going to get my Lime Crime palette, the Aquatina palette, and I'm just getting the Notorious Prime, which is this blue here. And then again going over the top of that with the dark blue again, just to try and mute it just a little bit. Now I'm just getting my Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to do my eyeliner, which probably won't be on camera because it's too hard to hold a thing up and do it at the same time. So now I'm just going to take off this tape so I can finish the rest of my makeup. Oh, that feels better without having that on your eyes. Okay, so the foundation I'm going to use today is my Revlon Colour Stay Combination Oily in 250 Fresh Beige. And again, just getting the same concealer for under my eyes. And then again, just getting the same Stay Matte powder and just putting that all over my face. So I'm just getting that Lime Crime blue and I'm just going to put it underneath my eye, but very lightly because it is very pigmented. And now I'm going to mute that blue a little bit by using the La Femme palette with the same dark navy blue that I was using before. That's not the palette. This is the palette. Yeah, that's the palette. And then I'm just getting the same gold from the Colourpop palette and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Colourpop is so pigmented, it's amazing. This is my first Colourpop stuff and I am very impressed. And now I'm not going to do it on camera because I will do it better when I'm looking at the mirror, but I'm just going to do a little wing in the inner corner of the eyes as well. And now I'm just getting my black MAC eyeliner, gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my waterline. Now I'm just getting my Colourpop mascara and I'm going to put that on my bottom and my top lashes. Okay, so the lashes that I'm using today are these Model Rock lashes. They don't actually have a coat on them. They just look like that. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now I'm just getting my Ben Nye Powder Rouge Contour number 1. And I'm just getting my contour brush and just going to do my cheekbones and my nose. Now I'm getting my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up my face just a little bit. And now I'm just getting my MAC blush in Peaches. And I'm also going to be using my Kyralee Cosmetics French Vanilla Highlighter. So, and now to follow the Disney lipstick collection that Colourpop have done, I'm going to use Princess Jasmine's colour, which is this bright pink. So I'm not someone who wears a lot of bright lipsticks. I usually go for more nudes and browns. So this is definitely a lot different to what I'd usually do, because I'd probably pair this with a nude lip just because I feel like it is so not a bright pink, but it is Princess Jasmine, so we are going to do it today. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. This is very pink, but we're gonna do it. Their lipsticks, can I just say, are so buttery that it is just so nice on your lips. This is very bright though. Pretty colour, but very bright. But it is for the video, so it's okay. Okay, so let's take the hair out. What do you guys think? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll have a look at what it looks like with a pale lip, a nude lip as well, so that you guys can see. But it is a very pretty pink. It is very pretty. I do like it. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see any more inspired makeup tutorials like this, then let me know, and I will see you guys later. Bye!